Today, we will learn how to add a glow effect in Canva. First, go to the Canva homepage and select the YouTube thumbnail option, as we're creating this for YouTube thumbnails. Here's our blank canvas. Next, go to Uploads and upload your main image. For example, we'll use this image as our main character image. After that, close this. Now, resize the image and click on the Remove Background option to remove the background. Wait a few seconds. Once the background is removed, change the background color to a darker shade, like black, since black or any darker shade works best for the glow effect. If you add a background image, make sure it's a dark one. Okay, now resize the main image as needed. Go to the Elements option and search for Glow. Go to Graphics and use this Glow PNG. Add it to your design and adjust it. Position it behind the main character. Next, go to Elements and search for a red glow. Go to Graphics and select this PNG. Avoid using dull reds. Choose a vibrant red color. Adjust it and increase its size. Now, position it according to your image, placing it behind the white glow and your main image. We've almost created our glow effect in the background. Now, it's time to create the glow effect on the subject. Click on the main character image and go to the Edit option. Select Shadows, then choose Glow. Set the size to 50 and change the color to red using this hex code. Set the blur amount to 30, this looks perfect. Intensity should be 100. After that, resize the image and position it as needed. Now add another page and duplicate the main image. Go to Edit, select Shadows, and choose the Outline option. Set the outline color to white and adjust the size to around 8 or 10, with intensity at 100. Resize the image to match the background image. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to position it precisely. Then, hold and drag this image to page 2. Now, download this image. Select page 2, tick the transparent background option, and download. Once downloaded, go back to page 1 and drag your downloaded image onto the design. Resize the image as needed. Go to Edit, select Shadows, and choose Glow. Set the color to white, with a blur amount of 30, or lower it to around 20 if needed. Reduce the size to 10, with intensity at 70. Perfect. Resize the image again if needed and use the arrow keys on your keyboard for precise adjustment. Now your glow effect is ready. You can adjust the color a bit if you'd like. For example, change the temperature slightly to add a yellow tint to match the tone. This step is optional. Finally, go to Share and download the design from here. And that's it, our glow effect is ready.